Before beginning the questions for Chapter 17 of The Giver, please be sure to write incomplete sentences. Failure to write incomplete sentences will result in a loss of credit. Also, don't forget, the page numbers shown in this video refer to the digital version of the book only. The first question for Chapter 17 is question 7. According to pages 130 to 135, how have the memories changed Jonas's relationships with his friends and family? My hint here for you is that Jonas has made some discoveries about the depth of feelings. So how is this affecting his relationships with his friends and family? Be sure to read pages 130 to 135 to find the correct answer. Question 8. What does Jonas's father's certainty about the birth date of the twins reveal about how births are handled in the community? Hint, it's different from how they're usually handled in our community. So question 8 is referring to father's comment on page 136. On page 136, father says, "I want to go to sleep early tonight. Tomorrow is a busy day for me. The twins are being born tomorrow, and the test results show they're identical." So on page 136, we already see that father knows the exact date that babies are going to be born. What does this mean about how births are handled in Jonas's community? After question 8, we move on to the vocabulary for Chapter 17. There are 2 vocabulary words. They are permeated and poured. So first, be sure to copy the sentence from the text. Next, predict what you believe that word means. And last, look up the definition using wordcentral.com.